The people in communities that have the hardest time recovering from a disaster are often vulnerable or have limited access to resources. At the Administration for Children and Families, or ACF, we believe human services are the essential link to supporting people before, during, and after a disaster. The Emergency Management Program for ACF, the Office of Human Services Emergency Preparedness and Response, or OHSEPR, bridges the communities of emergency management and human services. OHSEPR's mission is to lead, strengthen, and unify human services to prepare, respond, and recover from emergencies and crises. We are committed to advancing equity in disaster response, so the most vulnerable receive the right services at the right time. Our holistic, people-centric approach puts individuals, families, and communities at the heart of emergency response. This approach recognizes that disasters impact people, and responses should be tailored to meet their needs. That's why we believe it's important to invest in community engagement activities, educate the public, and coordinate with service providers before an emergency to lay the groundwork for effective response and recovery. Every day, ACF programs provide a wide variety of human and social services in communities across the nation. ACF programs help individuals become economically stable, support parents and caregivers, develop communities, and provide pathways to transition from crisis to self-sufficiency. Some services include early childhood development and education, child welfare, foster care, direct financial assistance, housing, and case management. ACF also provides preventative and supportive programs for family violence prevention, human trafficking prevention, and refugee assistance. OHSEPR is focused on helping communities, service providers, and households get back on their feet, especially after a disaster or crisis. That's why we collaborate closely with emergency management and social services agencies, healthcare providers, and community organizations to provide services that are responsive to disaster survivors' needs. Through these activities, OHSEPR is upholding its vision of building a robust national disaster response infrastructure that focuses on the human services needs of individuals, families, and communities.